Hello everyone and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. Today I'm going to review this Aldi yarn. Aldi is a very inexpensive store popular in the UK. It's a European company, but I believe that there are Aldis far-flung as the USA. I could be wrong, but I'm sure I heard that actually on one of the videos. I don't think they're selling yarn though. My local Aldi and the two neighbouring towns have stopped selling the yarn, and I've heard lots of people putting on Facebook that they're managing to get these 4 balls in the pack now for 99p. I thought it was pretty good value at $3.99 for 4 balls. I've not been able to find any of the sale prices anywhere in any of the stores. In fact, ours are not selling yarn at all at the moment. The first yarn that I used was this So Crafty baby chenille. It's really soft. It's a little thicker than the James C. Brett Flutterby, and so I had to use a thicker hook, and I made a cot blanket for my oldest grandson who's well, he'll be 2 in a few months time, and it took 12 balls, but I did make a puff stitch, which obviously meant it did take more yarn than it would normally, but still that was only £12 really if you think about it that way. I did buy this blue. It's a very pale blue, a bit dusky, and I think I'm going to make with both of these colours, make a cot blanket for my youngest grandson for this winter. They also had double knit, which I've had absolutely no problems with. It's lovely and soft. You wouldn't mind that next to your skin at all. Double knit comes in the same quantity bag, so you get 4 skeins for £3.99, which is remarkable value really. They also had this cotton, and I paid £1.99, but I've heard that people are getting this really much cheaper now. It's very soft. It's I did make a virus shawl with it, and I'll show you that. It did work up really nicely. It's got a crinkliness to it, the actual yarn itself, but it just makes this kind of really nice tatty effect, which I really like. It's nice and soft. You wouldn't mind wearing that either next to your skin. I made a mile a minute chair back, and the white on this again was the Aldi yarn. And I know it's early, but I've been making stockings for my grandson. I've got quite a few different ones to make, so I thought I'd start early. And again, nice and soft and easy to work with. So all in all, I think this Aldi yarn is exceptional value. I did actually go quite mad. Bought packs of white, this stone colour, and some black and some red, because I have a baby buggy and it's black and red, and I was going to make a big black and red pom-pom blanket, but it's one of those projects that I intended to do, and still have not got round to doing it, because I have hundreds of projects that are in my mind ready to begin. So the only one criticism I've seen online regarding the chenille is that there are several, in some cases, several joins throughout one ball. And because it's not a woven yarn, the joins are just a knot. I've not encountered that problem. I maybe have had one join in my ball, which is just as simple to sew in those ends as if you're joining your own ball. So, but I've not had any of those problems, and I know a few people have, and they've complained about that. But all in all, I think for the price, it's excellent value for money. It's lovely and soft, and I just wish that I could find these sale items, although as you can see I have got quite a lot to get through. But for now, that's all. I hope that you manage to find an Aldi and get some bargains, but for now I'll say bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and if you could just subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Click on that little bell and it will tell you when there's a new video, and with your help I can grow my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy hooking.